Hello, this is Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So let us continue from the lecture 2, the problems based on bijection method, whereas the third problem in continuation of the lecture 2. So second problem, lecture 3 it is. Right, second problem. Find the root of a real root of the equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0 in close interval 2, 3 by the bisection method correct to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. So approximately 3 decimal places. Solution. So the equation is now again cubic equation. For that, find the root of this cubic equation in closed interval 2, 3 by the bijection method correct to 3 decimal places. So the root lies between 2 and 3. The required root lies between 2 and 3. So the lower bound of the x values is 2 and upper bound is 3. Next, let f of x is equal to, the procedure is same as we applied in problem 1. Why? Because it is by bijection method. F of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. Put the upper and lower bounds of the interval in place of x. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 minus 9 is equal to minus so what it is, 2 cube is 8 minus, that is, the problem is 4x, this also 4x, 4 into 2, it is to be 9 is equal to minus 9 is less than 0. So f of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 minus 9 is equal to 6 is greater than 0. This implies f of 2 into f of 3 is less than 0. So whenever it is less than 0, the root lies between, even here also it was taken the function in between 2 and 3, and it is to be, the function is like this, so that f of 2 value is less than 0, and this is f of 3 is greater than 0, so that the next approximation root is the average of 2 and 3. The root lies between 2 and 3. First approximation root. First approximation root. First approximation root. X1 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So that x1 value is 2.5. So put the value in the function. F of x is equal to f of 2.5 is equal to 2.5 whole cube minus 4 into 2.5 minus 9. As its simplification is minus 3.375 is less than 0. So whenever it is less than 0, as it is less than 0, the value lies between to the left side. So this is, it is less than 0, so that 2.5 and 3 from this value. So 2.5 is here, the right side is this. So that the root lies between, the root lies between, the root lies between 2.5 and 3. So this is this side. Next, second approximation root. Second approximation root. X2 is equal to, so 2.5 to the right side plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2.75. So now this side is, it is x2. In the previous problem, it is to be left side all, and it is to be now the right side. F of x2 is equal to f of 2.75 is equal to 2.75 whole cube minus 4 into 2.75 minus 9 is equal to, the simplification is 0.7969. It is greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, the root lies between the root lies between greater than 0 means this value to the left side, it is 2.5 and 2.75. x3 is equal to 2.5 plus 2.75 divided by 2 is equal to 2.625. Whereas now f of 2.625 is equal to 2.625 whole cube minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9 is equal to, so what is that value? Minus 1.4121 is less than 0. So whenever it is less than 0, the next approximation root is the root lies between the root lies between the root lies between the root lies between 2.625 and 2.75. So next approximation root is x4 is equal to 2.625 plus 2.75 divided by 2 is equal to 2.6875. So f of 2.6875 is equal to 2.6875 whole cube minus 4 into 2.6875 minus 9 is equal to, that value is minus 0.339 is less than 0. As it is less than 0, the root lies between that value and its right value. That value is 2.6875 and its right side value is 2.75. So x5 is equal to 2.6875 plus 2.75 divided by 2 is equal to 2.7187. So f of 2.7187 is equal to 2.7187 whole cube minus 4 into 2.7187 minus 9 is equal to, that value is 0.22 something. It is greater than 0. So that the root lies between as it is greater than 0. So this value and left side value, it is 2.6875 and 2.7187. So x6 is equal to 2.6875 plus 2.7187 divided by 2 is equal to 2.7031. So that f of 2.7031 is equal to 2.7031 whole cube minus 4 into 2.7031 minus 9 is equal to, the value is to be minus 0.0615. It is to be less than 0. Less than 0 means this value and its right side value. The root lies between the root lies between 2.7031 and 2.7187. x7 is equal to 2.7031 and plus 2.7187 divided by 2 is equal to, the average 2.7109. f of 2.7109 is equal to 2.7109 whole cube minus 2.7109 minus 9 is equal to 0.07874 is greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, The next approximation root lies between the root lies between the root lies between the root lies between 2.7031 and 2.7109. So that x8 is equal to 2.7031 plus 2.7109 divided by 2 is equal to 2.7070. It is f of 2.7070 is equal to 2.7070 whole cube minus 4 into 2.7070 minus 9 is equal to, its simplification is 0.00848 greater than 0, the positive. So that the root lies between that value and to the right side value, that is left side value. It is 2.7031 and to the left it 2.7070. x9 is equal to 2.7031 plus 2.7070 divided by 2 is equal to 2.7050. We will take up to here only, the 4 places is equal to 2.7050. So that f of 2.7050 is equal to 2.7050 whole cube minus 4 into 2.7050 minus 9 is equal to minus 0.0274. It is less than 0. So that the root lies between as minus value. So that this value and its right, because this goes to the middle, that value to the right side, it is 2.7050 and its right side value is 2.7070. So that x10 is equal to 2.7050 plus 2.7070 divided by 2 is equal to 2.7060. So put in the function 2.7060 is equal to 2.7060 whole cube minus 4 into 2.7060 minus 9 is equal to, simplification is minus 0.0094 is less than 0. So the root lies between this value and its right side value, 2.7060 and 2.7070. x11 is equal to 2.7060 plus 2.7070 divided by 2 is equal to 7065. Next, from the above two iterations up to 3 decimal places, from since x10 and x11 have the same values up to 3 decimal places, then x is equal to 2.706 is the root of the equation 1, root of the equation 1. Thank you very much.